Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. This video is for class 2, topic long division form, and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Children, in the previous class we have learned simple division method. Now in this class we will learn long division form. So let us learn with the help of an example. Children, look at the example. Here you have to divide 12 by 3. Children, division can be shown in two ways. The first method we have already done in the previous class, and this method is known as simple division method. Now let us learn how to divide with long division form. Children, here you have to divide 12 by 3. Here 12 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. So children, when you divide 12 by 3, so you will read the table of 3 until you get 12. So children, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So children, 3 4s are 12. So here 4 will be your answer, and children, 4 is the quotient. Now children, let's practice some questions given on page 93 of your maths book. Question is fill in. Here you have to divide 15 by 3. Look at the first part, children. By the method of long division form, you have to divide 15 by 3. So children, here you will read the table of 3 until you get 15. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So children, here your answer will be 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And here 5 is your quotient. Now let's do the second part. Here you have to divide 10 by 2. Children, now you will read the table of 2 until you get 10. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. So children, here 2 times 5 are 10. So it means your answer will be 5. And 5 is your quotient. Now let's do the next part. Third, here you have to divide 15 by 5. So children, read the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So children, here you will write 3 as quotient. So your answer will be 3. Now let's do the next part. Fourth part. Here you have to divide 21 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So children, here 3 will be your answer. Now let's do fifth part. Here 20 divided by 4. So children, read the table of 4 till you get 20. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So children, here your answer will be 5. Now, sixth part, here you have to divide 12 by 6. So children, read the table of 6 till you get 12. 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12. So children, your answer will be 2. It means 6 times 2 is 12. Now seventh part children, here you have to divide 18 by 6. So you will read the table of 6 until you get 18. 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So children, here your answer will be 3. Now eighth part, here you have to divide 32 by 8. So read the table of 8 until you get 32. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So children, your answer will be 4 and 4 will be your quotient. Now let's do next part, ninth part. Here you have to divide 27 by 9. So children, you will read the table of 9 until you get 27. So children, 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So children, here you will write 3 as a quotient and 3 will be your answer also. Now let's do next part, that is 10th part. Here you have to divide 40 by 8. So children, you will read the table of 8 until you get 40. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. So children, here you will write 5 as quotient and 5 will be your answer. Now let's do the next part, 11th. Here you have to divide 24 by 3. So children, for this you have to read table of 3 until you get 24. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So children, here when you divide 24 by 3, you will get answer as 8 and 8 will be your quotient. Now let's do 12th part. Here you have to divide 5 by 45. Children, here read the table of 5 until you get 45. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. So children, here your answer will be 9. Now children, your homework is you will do page 93 from part 13 to 20 in your maths book. Thank you.